So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to smash the like button, share, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell icon so that you're going to be notified whenever I get a new video. So yeah, so kamusta naman kayong lahat? Okay naman? So yeah, so for today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng yung binili ko siya sa yzbuyer.com. It's very affordable and I think sila yung first ever store here in UAE na nag-cater ng 49 dirham lang with free shipping fee. Sorry for that kasi yung voice ko parang medyo paus pa siya. And yeah, so i-unbox natin yung Dr. Rashel green tea cleansing plus something like that. So yeah, let's get started. So eto na nga, i-unbox na natin yung ating green tea cleanser. So, yung binili ko kasi set siya, kaya ganito kalaki yung box niya. And yeah, by the way, free delivery pala siya from yz.com. So, yung minimum purchase nila is 49 dirhams only. Makaka-avail ka na ng free delivery. Unlike sa mga online shop dito sa UAE, may minimum sila na 99 above or 100 dirhams, saka lang makaka-avail ng free delivery. So, yeah, I'm so grateful na si YZ.com nag-o-offer sila ng 49 dirham lang yung minimum, and that's why ganap ko siya na opportunity kasi wala siyang charge sa delivery, and saka yung cash on delivery is free din siya. So, sa mga apps kasi, meron silang, kung magbabayad ka ng cash on delivery, meron silang charge na 5 or 10 dirhams. So, sa kanila is wala. And wala din silang handling fee, unlike sa any other apps. So, yeah. So, yeah, simulan na natin ang pag-unbox. My favorite color. It's green. Tada! Ang beautiful niya. From Dr. Rashel. Kita ba? So, super ganda ng kanilang packaging and nakasealed pa siya. So, I really recommend guys na if ever na bumili kayo ng mga set na mga beauty products or ano-ano pa yan, make sure na nakasealed talaga yung item, kasi yung iba kasi is ino-open nila, may mga parang yung mga tester baga, yun yung sinisend nila sa customer, which is not good. And yeah, so much hard. Kamay-kamay muna, mahirap lang tayo. So yeah, ayan, super sealed siya. Ayan. I think really worth it na bumili ako nito kasi packaging pa lang panalo na. Look at that. So, tara, buksan na natin. Ay, sorry. Angat muna natin itong. Wow! Ang ganda niya. Tadang! 10 pieces nga po pala siya, by the way. So, meron silang pore cleansing facial cream, softening toner, and then soothing lotion, and then hydrating plumping serum. Ano yung itong isa? Wait lang. I-twist ko muna kasi nakatalikod yung ano niya. Moisturizer cream, and meron din silang rejuvenating eye cream, and itong 4 na maliliit na bottles ay what's this? Serum. So yeah, worth it. And yeah, so yung laman niya is worth it din sa amount, which is 55 dirhams only. So yung mga na-search ko kasi almost 100 or more than 100 dirhams, which is very expensive when you convert it into our currency, which is in Philippine peso. So kina-convert ko siya 55 times 15. So yeah, yun. Kaya I think it's very satisfying na nabay ko to in the reasonable price, and yeah, I think I am very satisfied with it, and yeah. And yeah, thank you so much yzbuyer.com for this. So actually nakita ko lang si YZ Buyer sa ads siya sa Facebook, yeah, and sa Instagram also. Kaya yun. So, i-indicate ko siya sa description box yung kanilang website para in case nandito kayo sa UAE and gusto nyong bumili ng ganitong cleansing set, which is good for the skin because contain siya ng green tea extracts and so on. So, yeah. And free delivery pa siya. So, kaya, yun. I encourage you to buy. I think this one is good for the skin also. Hindi naman siya harmful kasi natural yung mga ingredients niya. So, ito, si Pore Cleansing Facial Cleanser naman is removes dirt, dead skin cells, detoxes, and hydrates. So, meron siyang nakasulat dyan sa likod. And, sa susunod naman is itong Dr. Rashel. Wait lang, sobrang hard. Purify Softening Toner. So, cleansing shrinks the pores, purifies, and softens skins. Then, yung next is, wait lang. Ito is smoothing soothing lotion. Tones and soothe the skin, nourishing and moisture. Next is hydrating plumping serum. So ito naman is refreshing and hydrating pore refining. And next is, ouch, sorry. Oh my god, it's sobrang hard. Next is ito si eye cream. Yung eye cream is wala lang. Revitalizing eye cream. Yung eye cream, literal eye cream. And then, hindi ko siya makuha. Sobrang hard niya. Okay guys, hindi ko siya makuha guys. Itong nasa baba. Si Moisture Nourish cream. So, iti-twist ko na lang siya sa likod. Sobrang ay, hindi. So, ito na lang sa taas. Ito is, wait, serum 5 ml. I think parehas lang sila. Parehas lang sila na serum 5, and meron din siyang ganito sa ito. Parang niya, yung parang tubo. Charing. Ganito.
Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time, baby, baby, now I know
Thank you so much sa panonood ng aking mga videos. So, huwag niyo pong kalimutang i-like, share, comment, and subscribe. And click the bell icon para po ma-notify kayo sa mga bago kong uploads. Salamat po! Bye-bye!